Hi guys! Today I'm here to talk about the new line from Abril Nature. It is called Nature-Plex. Nature-Plex is a product specially made for people who has a breakage on a hair, or maybe it's too dried or it's damaged, frizzy. So this line composed of some components I would like to mention just very quickly because they are incredible. I really haven't tried something like this before. It is made of stem cells, vegetal. Vegetal stem cells helps to repair your hair really quickly and really good. It stays as this, like this. As well, do you have the rosehip oil, for example, to nourish your hair, to have it more elastic as well. The cysteine bond complex, which is a patented component from them, because it is really made to, how to say, well, you will feel your hair much more healthy because it is really stronger. It doesn't break like before. So I was really impressed, as you can see, because this Nature-Plex line has helped me a lot. Damaging because of the stem cells is repaired. With the hyaluronic acid, it is really moistured. You got the shea butter as well. So many components that will help your hair to be much more healthier than before. I will tell you how to apply it, how it works, okay? Because you have two different ways. So I'm going to explain the intensive treatment first, and after the maintenance at home. All of that you do at home, okay? So first of all, we have the shampoo. And it is not any shampoo, it is the shampoo. You have to leave it maybe for 1-2 minutes if you want, okay? Or just do twice shampoo if you need. It is really a product that when you rinse it off, you already feel your hair is so much healthier, all right? So rinse it out and we go with the mousse. And the mousse is the most concentrate of all of them. This is the one you will use, for example, if you know that you will bleach your hair, you will damage it, or you will do any other treatment which damages hair, okay? So you apply this the 3 times before when you rinse it, after the rinsing, before you go to the salon, for example, and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off, okay? Really, you will see, with 3 times, it's enough. You will feel your hair so much healthier. After that, you have rinsed it off, you go for the mask. And this is the mask, which is very important. Okay, why it is so important? Because it does condition your hair and the cuticle gets sealed. So this will help your hair to look so much better and shiny. All right, so 2 to 5 minutes maybe, and you rinse it out. Okay. Finally, you apply the final touch. Final touch is an oil. And it really helps as well to seal this cuticle, which I'm talking about together with the mask. So you can apply it when the hair is damp or when it's dry. In my opinion, both is really helpful, but maybe I prefer it when it's dry. It gives me some more shine, I guess. So this would be the final product, final touch. Well, if you're not doing the intensive treatment or you have done it for the 3 times, then you simply don't use this, and this is your maintenance. This means shampoo, mask, and the oil, all right? So this is what you would use until you say, okay, soon I'm going to do my roots, for example. I'm going to start again to apply my mousse because I want to prevent the damage. And after I went to the salon, I'm going to do it 3 times more. And again, I'll keep with my maintenance. So this is Nature-Plex. I hope it was helpful for you. I really recommend you to try it, and I see you for the next videos. Please comment down below if you want to see a demonstration of Nature-Plex. Goodbye.